Hi friends, so in my channel Sudha's Veg Recipes, today I am cooking Mumbai's iconic street food Pav Bhaji. So let's get started. I have heated a pan over here and 1 tablespoon of oil into that. I am adding 1 tablespoon of butter and maybe some more. Now how much butter is absolutely your choice. More the better. The butter has melted. So now about 1 teaspoon of cumin powder and about half a chopped onion. See that for pav bhaji you take very finely chopped vegetables because at the end you have to mash, so mashing becomes easy. Also take a thin wok like pan for this, that will give a nice smoky flavor to the dish. I don't want to cook the onions too much. I don't want brown onions, so now they have cooked. I am adding finely chopped capsicum now, 1 medium sized capsicum. Let's add about half a teaspoon of salt so that the vegetable soften quickly. Next I am adding in about 1 tablespoon of finely crushed garlic. Mix well. At this point I am also adding some seasonings. Half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 teaspoons of red chili powder. This will impart a nice red color. This is Kashmiri red chili powder. So it has only color, not much hot. Some coriander powder. Mix well. And now to this I am adding 4 medium sized tomatoes finely chopped. You can also puree them. Cover this and cook for 5 minutes. The tomatoes must have become soft now. So now I am adding a small piece of cauliflower which I had boiled. You can skip this if you don't like. And some green peas. They are also frozen green peas. So they'll cook quickly. And I am adding 4 large boiled and mashed potatoes. Also I'll add salt to taste. This dish requires slightly higher salt, but check your own taste and adjust the seasoning accordingly. We'll cook and cover for 1 minute and then we will add water. I'm adding about half a cup of water right now. Some more we will add later. Mix well and cook it on high flame. Our vegetables have become soft now. So now let's mash them with a potato masher that they get a uniform consistency. All the vegetables should get mashed properly. You may keep it slightly chunky if you like it, or you can completely mash it. This is done for me. So now I add some more water. You can adjust the consistency, how thin or thick you want your bhaji to be. Let it simmer without cover for some more time. So our bhaji is cooked well. Let's add final seasonings to this. About 1.5 tablespoon of pav bhaji masala. You can reduce or increase the quantity of pav bhaji masala. Some finely chopped coriander leaves and a few drops of lemon juice. And this is done. I take this off the flame and let's start baking the pav now. So I've heated a pan here for toasting the pav. Apply some butter on all the 4 sides of the pav and place it on the hot tawa. Cook it lightly on all the 4 sides. We don't want to make it crisp. Just heat it enough so that the bread absorbs the butter. And they are ready. Let's plate our dish. Our spicy buttery treat is ready. Just add a generous blob of butter on this bhaji and serve this. Little unhealthy but worth indulging once in a while. Do try this and share your experience in the comment section down. See you for more recipes next time. Bye bye.